Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a limited edition unboxing for you. Before I get into that, I wanted to give you guys all a name. Everybody has a name for all their viewers, and I feel since I'm extra on extra on extra, as you guys know from all my previous videos, that you guys should be extra. So you guys should be extras. Not like an extra in a movie, but just extra bold, extra beautiful, extra unapologetically you. So if you would like to become part of the extra crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video and go ahead and leave me a comment. And I like to get to everybody. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. All right, let's get into this unboxing. I ordered it this past weekend and I was out of town and luckily didn't show up when I was gone, but I'm a little bit, I'm on like worst case scenario mode right now. This was available a couple months ago. It was limited edition and I believe they only made something around like 90 to 100. I believe of each color, there was 4 colors, I believe. I don't think it was where they made 90 to 100 total pieces, but I may be wrong. This one and only of this item popped up. There was only one. I had to hit buy as soon as I possibly could to get it because I was having a little bit of FOMO. When they first got introduced, I was on the fence. I decided not to. I really wanted that saddle, but I decided not to. But this color showed up and I'm like, why not? Let's give it a whirl. Let's see what it's about. And as you guys know, I'm a big fan of these, so let's see. Also, before I open this, I thought the box was going to be a lot bigger. I had no idea. Either this bag is going to be smashed in here or this bag is a lot smaller than I thought. I should probably pay attention to the dimensions on there, but I have a tendency of just clicking by because I get so excited. But let's get into it. Okay, typical Coach box. I didn't get the gift wrapping. You guys know from my previous videos I don't like to get gift wrapping normally. Wrap everything, and I like to have as much wrapping on as possible, but see, paper. I'm not expecting this to be in a dust bag because the only other video I've seen about this, it was not in a dust bag. It didn't have one. You guys, it's typical. Thank you for shopping at Coach. Get her out of here. All right, so here she is. The shape is very different than I was expecting. Size-wise, it is smaller. Expecting the worst, but let's hope for the best. See a little peek there. Okay. Little peek show here, there. I'm not even gonna bother ripping that. This is... all right. This is the Coach Buy Now Cash and Carry 22. They sold out pretty quickly, and randomly this weekend, this one and only item popped up. So I'm like, it has to be a return. Someone got it in before their last 30 days, and the Jax processed it. But let's look her over. She's like a pale yellow. I don't know, she's like back and forth, giving me like pale yellow, but also at the same time giving me that Vachetta. I don't know if this color is registering properly on camera. It is a very different color than anything I own. You guys see that little like glimmer over here? I don't know if that's like a little grease stain or a little glue stain. Whatever that is. She's cute. She's got the feet on the bottom. Love that. Especially with this light color, you're gonna want to, I'm gonna immediately spray this with some Carbon Pro. And maybe I'll moisturize it first because I don't know how long it's been sitting, and then some Carbon Pro just to protect it because of the lighter color. Original glove tanned leather. Let's see, are the feet beat up at all? The feet seem fine. So, I mean, I don't know if this was a return or not. Actually, it looks like the handles are still wrapped. So you guys know Coach makes the majority of their stuff overseas, whether if it's the Philippines, Vietnam, China, what have you. This big marketing thing with these limited edition Cashin Tote 22s, the buy now ones, were that they were actually made in America. They were made in New York City. Let's get further into it because remember, like I said, you guys, this strap is either like a corally pink with I think orange writing, maybe a lighter color, or it's gonna be a orange with a darker writing all over it. I'm hoping for the orange. I don't have too much in my collection that goes with coral, but hey, maybe it'll be my pop of color. And the strap is removable. So let's just get into her. They tuck the straps right in there. They're still wrapped, so that's a good sign that somebody bought it and didn't use it and return it, because trying to get these back on would be a hassle. There is some variations. I've seen some, actually the front looks really nice. I've seen some versions of these that, like, I don't know if when they were embossing this, it just pushed too hard or something like that, and it just creased up the whole front of these. And there's so few of these that I would imagine it's gonna be hard to get a replacement, so it's more of a deal with what you get, or maybe call and see if Coach is willing to do anything else. But I don't know. What do you guys think of the color? Like, it's like a pale yellow. Sometimes it's just looking more ivory bone. I believe it's called vanilla. I'm liking it. This is going to be perfect bag for spring. You guys, this is going to look cute. But let's get into the inside because I'm a little... Oh, there's a hang tag. Okay, good thing she has that. I love, okay, so normally the story patch, I'm not sure, there is one inside, but they pretty much give you the whole story in the front here. Made in New York, Coach Leatherwear, and down here at the bottom, I thought this was kind of funny, and it's interesting that they put it on the outside instead of the inside. But it says, from materials that were imported, our compliance team wants you to know, no shame in being honest, right? Question mark. Thank you and have a nice day. Exclamation point. I think that is super, super cute that they added that little extra touch on the outside. And this is, you're only going to notice this if you're a collector and this is your piece, because most people from a distance are just going to see the Made in New York, Coach Leatherwear. It is super, super cute. I like that. Okay, let's get to the inside. You know what? Let's take off these little handle covers so you guys can get like the full. All right. There she is in her entirety. I think the strap is going the wrong way. There we go. So see, they're really dainty, the little straps, but what I did see people that what they do is they actually, since they are softer and more pliable, is they tuck them in when they're going to do a crossbody wear. I mean, more than that, but the inside has a stuffing right now. And it's going to make for an easier crossbody carry because it's not going to be stabbing you. All right, let's get to the strap. I'm like, keep pushing this off because I don't know what color the strap is, and it is a coral. It is a coral color. I super excited about it, no, but sometimes I do get bags that are a little bit different than what I'm normally used to because it pushes me out of my comfort zone and allows me to just express myself even more. So if you guys, if there's something like you like the bag but not the strap, hey, guess what? This is removable, but try to incorporate it, and I feel like you're gonna enjoy it a lot more. Something new, it's gonna refresh your closet. I don't mind that strap. So there's the inside. So the way they photographed this on the Coach website was that the outside looked like the inside color of what it is here. So it looks like that light tan color. From the pictures that I seen, that's what the color it was represented to be on the outside, but this is definitely a lot more pale yellow, closer to the vachetta. I'm not mad at it. It is, like I said, it's very different. I like that. It's got the magnet little clasp, and I love magnets. I love, like, it's very like satisfying to hear that. But this is very light. Like, I feel this is going to be a very easy carry just because it's so light. So you could totally load this thing up and you're not even going to notice how much you're actually carrying. We have the the interior pocket with the zipper in there, the patches in there, and it's got a credit card case on the inside there, a little credit card slot so you can put 1 or 2 cards. Let's see what this patch says. So you guys, with this patch inside, you probably can't see it, but the patch that's in here, so normally it has like a style number down at the bottom, but sometimes they put 00000. That's normally what they do with sample bags. But this one has all zeros, just like sample bags do. So it says the number and then 0000000. I really like this. I think this is really cute. Let's get this strap going. I'm a little annoyed that it doesn't come with a dust bag, because normally when they do these limited editions, they come out with some nice dust bags, just like my Bape dust bag, Bape collection. Oh, I can tell they took this off. They like retaped it back on. So my Bape bags, they have a special dust bag that says Coach X Bape on it. And I haven't come across any other collection that I have, except for my remade one, my remixed item that's only 1 of 1. It actually says the Coach Originals. That's like their first wave of when they bought all these vintage pieces or pulled them from their archives and they reimagined them, and they came with a little Polaroid picture. I'm gonna do a video on that for you guys at a later time. I hope that's something that you guys are gonna enjoy, but who doesn't like limited editions? 1 of 1, you guys. It's 1 of 1. The more I look at the strap, the more I'm liking it, because it's more like a corally salmon kind of pink vibe. I'm here for it, and I can always switch it up. I have tons of these straps. All right, I got that there. And it's interesting, you guys know how I've talked about so many times of 1941 collection, them doing away with it, them keeping part of it, but this has the stamp inside. I noticed it really quickly. This says 1941. I don't know if you guys can see this right here, but that's the 1941 stamp that usually denotes that it's from the 1941 collection, but I don't know. Okay, this is cute. This is pretty cute. I'm liking this corally color. I'm liking this. I will be honest, I wasn't expecting to like it too much, because just the shade of yellow, the strap, but separately. But together, I feel that it's super cute, and this is going to be adorable in spring. I hope this is something that you guys can find, but like I said, it's kind of rare. If you guys are a little crazy like me and stalk the Coach website, they randomly stock things that were either a couple seasons ago, or they just recently restocked robes from like 2019 on the retail website. They normally put those on the outlet site, but I don't know, Bob back there in the Coach Crips at Jack's in Florida decided, hey, I found these. I am happy for Bob. Thank you, Bob, for finding these, because I never thought I was going to have one of these in my collection. And I'm super happy that now that I do have one, and it's pushing me out of my comfort zone. It's something completely different that I'm not used to. I think this is going to be a fun little moment. I'm liking it. The more I look at it, spring, everybody's going to be envious of it, because, I mean, these colors, this is going to be a perfect Easter bag. And if it gets too Eastery for you, you don't have to just wear it in the springtime. Like I said, snap on another novelty strap and it's going to completely change the look. But the fact that I have this here with me, I'm super happy that it's made in New York City. Yes, I've imported textiles and whatnot, but it is made in New York City, and to me that just makes it a little bit more special for this to be made where the brand got started long ago in 1941. So thank you guys for sticking around. I'm gonna look this over some more, get some more information on it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So to all my extras, thank you for all the love, and I'll see you guys later. Stay beautiful.